So we're here in New York and we're staying at the TWA Hotel. The main entrance, they have the old cars here. Inside we go. Second area. It's really old. It looks very old in here. So here is the room at the TWA Hotel. This is what the bathroom looks like. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. And we got a double bed, because it's me, my wife, and my daughter. Pretty small, to be honest with you. Pretty small. Here is the view. We didn't get a view of taxi area where the planes are, but there is a pool upstairs, and they said that we can see the taxi view from there. So I'll take you guys there. I know this is hard because the glass, it's glimmering and you can see me, but just trying to give you guys an overview. Everything's pretty cool here. A lot of it is the old-fashioned style. They wanted to make it look like, you know, I guess the 50s or the 60s. But it's pretty cool, and outside we go, and we'll continue this. Out of the elevator. There goes people outside waiting. I think this is arrivals, so people are waiting to be picked up. And down we go. Here we have a little bit of history on the walls. And when you get around the corner, so this is pretty much the main entrance. This is where you enter. They have a little model here. outside they have an airplane that you can get on, and it's supposed to be like a small little museum. We will go out there and take a look. Here's the gift shop. I think they're closing, but just to give you a look. And as we keep walking, there is more. If you're interested in reading it. What they say this was, the Connie bar in an airplane. Luggage carriers. My grandmother had a luggage like this. Say hi, babe.
Hi.
So let's see what's underneath the belly of the beast. I think this is a model. Not sure. But this is a big propeller.
Watch your feet. Oh, the desk told us 11.
No, and depends
We wouldn't have come.
We made it. We made it, right?
I'm closing.
Look, 5 minutes. They just said that from the other
Just send
bar.
us over to the other bar.
You can take a picture first in 5 minutes. 10:20 is the last call here.
All right, let's go back before they miss the last one in another place. They just sent us over here.
He's like, you'll definitely.
So this is a bar inside the plane. It's pretty cool though. Reminds you of the Twilight Zone.
Here, quickly! There's a man out there. What? Look, he's crawling on...
Here's the observation deck and pool area.